Have you ever wondered what exactly gives you the legal right to defend yourself, and how a court decides if your actions were justified? It is a crucial question that lies at the heart of self-defense, determining if your response was seen as necessary and appropriate. In the legal world, the standard for reasonable belief in self-defense refers to whether a person genuinely and honestly believed they were in imminent danger, and, importantly, whether a hypothetical reasonable person in the same situation would have also believed that the danger was real. It is a two-pronged test, combining both your subjective perception and an objective assessment. The core mechanism behind this standard is balancing an individual's right to self-preservation with the societal need to prevent unnecessary force. Courts use this dual perspective to filter out purely emotional or irrational responses while still acknowledging that people react differently under extreme stress. It is not just about what you thought, but what society deems understandable under those specific circumstances, considering all the facts available to you at that moment. To help determine if your belief was reasonable, courts will look at several factors. They consider the aggressor's apparent intent, their physical capabilities, any weapons involved, and the overall environment. For example, if someone much larger than you loudly threatens to harm you while reaching into their pocket, a reasonable belief of imminent danger is far more likely than if a much smaller person just yells an insult from across the street. Understanding this standard involves recognizing that your perception of danger must be both honest and objectively defensible. An important nuance is that you do not have to be 100% correct about the threat. You just need to have held a reasonable belief based on the information you had. This is often described as the imperfect self-defense doctrine in some jurisdictions, where a mistaken but reasonable belief can still mitigate charges, though it might not fully excuse the use of force. Ultimately, the legal standard of reasonable belief ensures that self-defense is a shield against genuine threats, not a sword for aggression. It empowers individuals to protect themselves when truly necessary, while also holding them accountable for their actions. By knowing this standard, you can better understand the boundaries of self-defense and how your decisions might be evaluated during a critical moment.